My name is Aisha Sigder, and I'm the Director of the Data Analytics and AI team at CGI Federal. For over 40 years, we've supported Intel, DoD, and civilian customers to support mission essential needs. In 2015, CGI Federal partnered with AWS to provide industry-leading cloud solution technologies for our public sector customers. CGI Federal is working with AWS to build and optimize solutions centered around asset maintenance and readiness. This includes things like supply chain, smart warehousing, logistic and fleet management, and spare parts sourcing. Customers can really benefit from CGI Federal working with AWS because CGI Federal comes with a deep expertise and awareness on the challenges that may arise working in the federal space. Because we understand the AWS infrastructure, we get to build thought out solutions on such a robust ecosystem being AWS. There isn't only just one project that shows the value of integrating AWS services for clients and customers. I can think of a number of projects where that has happened. The service that I'm thinking of specifically is AWS EMR, which is Elastic MapReduce. EMR is used to parallel data processing on compute clusters. Within minutes, you can spin up clusters. You don't have any setup on the infrastructure, and there's no Hadoop configuration. So for a team of data scientists and data analytic engineers, we're able to really focus on building out solutions for the customer. Developing prototypes in AWS allows us to build faster with the latest capabilities the cloud has to offer, keeping in mind scalability, automation, and security. We're able to connect EMR to SageMaker or trigger Dynamo for Lambda with minimal headaches, allowing us to innovate faster and build solutions. Because AWS has such a robust infrastructure, they have so many different services, and you're able to easily integrate them. You can really build out thoughtful prototypes, thoughtful solutions, thoughtful data pipelines, which really help the end goal.